Imagine you're about to take a significant step, securing a loan for a new car, your education, or maybe your first home. It's a daunting task, with numerous terms and conditions that seem set in stone. But here's a question that might not have crossed your mind. Can I negotiate the terms of my loan with lenders? The answer might surprise you, and knowing this could save you a significant amount of money and stress. In this video, we'll uncover the art of loan negotiation, revealing what terms can be shifted in your favor and how to approach lenders to discuss your loan. Understanding the significance of loan negotiation is crucial in the financial landscape. The ability to negotiate terms such as interest rates, repayment periods, and associated fees can profoundly impact your financial journey. This negotiation process offers more than just the chance to save money. It's about taking proactive steps towards financial sovereignty. Successfully negotiating loan terms can lead to more manageable repayments, potentially saving thousands over the life of a loan. This empowerment stems from knowing what can be negotiated and approaching your lender with a well-prepared case. In this video, we aim to equip you with the insights and strategies needed to confidently enter loan negotiations. By the end of this section, you'll understand the key aspects of loan terms that are often negotiable and how leveraging this knowledge can significantly benefit your financial well-being. The key to successful loan negotiation lies in preparation. Before you approach your lender, arm yourself with knowledge and information. Start by understanding your current financial situation. What's your credit score? How does your income compare to your debt? This information will be crucial when discussing terms. Next, research prevailing loan terms for similar profiles to yours. Knowing the market rates for interest and fees can strengthen your negotiation position. Also, prepare a clear argument for why you deserve better terms. Have you been a loyal customer? Do you have a strong repayment history? These factors can sway negotiations in your favor. Finally, consider alternative lenders. Sometimes the mere mention of competitive offers can encourage your current lender to offer better terms. By thoroughly preparing, you not only increase your chances of successful negotiation, but also demonstrate to lenders that you are a knowledgeable and responsible borrower. Negotiating loan terms can seem intimidating, but with the right approach, you can engage in these discussions with confidence. Here are steps to guide you through the negotiation process. Start the conversation. Begin by expressing your appreciation for the lender's service. Make it clear you've done your homework and are aware of what's negotiable. Present your case. Use the information you've gathered about your financial situation, market rates, and your history with the lender to present a strong case for improved loan terms. Be specific about what you're asking for, whether it's a lower interest rate, a longer repayment period, or waived fees. Listen and compromise. Negotiation is a two-way street. Be prepared to listen to the lender's counteroffers and understand there may need to be compromises. Remember, the goal is to reach terms that are better for you, but still acceptable to the lender. Don't be afraid to walk away. If the lender isn't willing to offer reasonable adjustments, consider looking elsewhere. Often, the willingness to walk away can bring them back to the table with a better offer. Get everything in writing. Once you've agreed on better terms, ensure these are documented. This protects both parties and clarifies the new terms of your loan. By approaching negotiations with a clear strategy and openness to dialogue, you can significantly improve the conditions of your loan, making it more manageable and suited to your financial situation.